Hello guys, I'm here to talk about the how to start screen recording in OnePlus phones. First we have to go to upwards. Then you can see there is an option of screen recording. Just click on it and it starts recording, and you can just pause it, done. And microphone, you can just off and on a speaker and microphone, and there are also lots of setting about it. You can just tap long press on screen recording, then you can see there is option record microphone sound. You can just off and off. There is another setting, you can choose whatever your pixel, 480 or 720. There is an indicator location, status bar, floating window, so I choose floating window. And if you then tap screen recording, it shows here. You can easily manage it by clicking on this, it starts, clicking on this, it's end, and click on tick option, and it's done. Thank you for watching.